In front of me is Poco F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening an app called Themes and selecting Font at the top, or by hitting Categories, tapping on the best one and tapping on one of those. Either way, after finding a perfect one for you, you need to tap on it and either buy it or tap on free to download it. Following that, hit apply and go back. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. To go back to your default one, go into Devices Settings, scroll to hit Display and Brightness, scroll again and hit Font Settings. Then hit Default and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!